Hexclad, Henkels, Hexclad, Henkels. Are we burning that oil? What's going on here? The number one question I get asked in all my cooking videos is, what pan am I using? And this is the Hexclad pan, and it's like a hybrid of stainless steel and non-stick. And so this is a 3-piece set. You can probably get it, the cheapest I've seen it is like on a Black Friday for under $400, like $379. So I went to Costco and I saw this, the exact same pan. This 3-piece set was $87.99 from what I remember online for 3 pieces. So is it identical? I haven't opened it yet. This is crazy. This is the Henkels. This is the Hexclad. Okay. Weight, the same. Both stainless steel, non-stick, and oven safe. The true test is if we could cook with both pans. And I'm gonna make a steak on both pans. This is the Henkels. I need to wash this before we start cooking. And here is my Hexclad I've had for years. Here goes. This is the Henkel. Hexclad. You can see that it's like browning and smoking more over here on the Henkel. You see that? That's a brand new pan. And the Hexclad is not doing that. So far the Hexclad is working better. Let's flip this over. Nice crust. Nice crust on both steaks. I don't like this, whatever is happening here with the Henkel. You see that that's not happening in here with the Hexclad. But there's all this smoke. I'm not sure about this pan. Hold on a second. Just let me show you side by side. Like, Hexclad, Henkels, Hexclad, Henkels. Are we burning that oil? What's going on here? Whoa, I need to turn on my fan even higher on this. This is so much smoke. This is the Henkel steak and this is the Hexclad steak. So far it looks identical with the crust and everything, but I just want to show you like the oil that came out of the Henkel. It's like black, burnt, like I can't imagine consuming this. it's like how do you say carcinogens? Carcinogens? Like that is like black oil. I'm not very happy with that. Where this is the Hexclad. You can see how clean this is. I really wanted to like the Henkel's pans because I'm a cheapskate and I know a lot of people save up for the Hexclad, and I thought I found a great dupe for you guys, and so I'm really disappointed that the Henkel's didn't work out. But this is why I love the Hexclad pans. They're lifetime warranty and the quality is there. You get what you pay for. And I'm shocked because I really thought we were gonna have the identical results. And I'm gonna do a little bit more research on what is in the difference between the two that makes the oil turn black like this to this nice brown color. This is the Henkel's one. Oops. I mean, nice crust. Might have overcooked it a little bit because I was filming the smoke. So this is like a medium well, which I could still eat. Not bad. Like, it cooked fine. Like I said, I think I just overcooked it because I was filming the smoke and just very curious of what was going on and wasn't really paying attention. But I mean, the cooking steak results are very similar, but I'm just worried about how that pan came out and all that oil. It's like, I don't want to digest any of that. Health-wise. But you see, that's a beautiful piece of steak. I mean, this is not so bad either. You're better off investing in just even one pan to cook everything instead of buying multiple pans. But like, I think this is under $200. I'd rather invest in one good pan to use than multiple cheap pans. So Hexclad all the way. That was a really fun video to make. I'm gonna dig into this steak, but if you guys like that, I'm gonna do more reviews on pans that I've used in my house as well. Just follow along for the next one that we do. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.